Cornell University scientists have created cancer-killing nanoparticles that can destroy metastasizing cancer cells in the blood. About 90% of cancer deaths are related to metastasis, when cancer cells spread from the tumor to other parts of the body. Scientists attached a cancer-killing protein known as TRAIL and an adhesive protein called E-selectin to nanoparticles. When the nanoparticles were injected into human blood samples and mice, they stuck to the white blood cells. These TRAIL-carrying white blood cells would inevitably come into contact with any metastatic cancer cells in the blood and cause apoptosis, or cancer cell death. The scientists say more safety testing is needed in animals before a human trial can be conducted.
See a story that really should be animated? Suggest stories to Tomo News now.